this chicken that's on the stick, perch, stick, whatever it is. She's playing music and she's going back and forth between the, she's an acrobat. She's trying to get, you know, she's just trying to get one of them jobs in the circus as a dancing chicken or something. Well, hey, how you doing? How you doing? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Trick chicken.
I tricked that chicken, but that chicken is wanting something special, ain't you?
Look at them. Aren't they funny on 3 different levels? 4.
I got them in 4 different levels right here, people. One on ground, one on the basket, one on the lower perch, and one on the higher perch. That's skill. I guess I'm a chicken wrangler.